In workforce management, complexity often masquerades as sophistication. But is more always better? Let's explore how overengineering can hinder performance and how simplicity can be the key to success. Complexity in workforce management systems can lead to inefficiencies. What if the very systems meant to drive performance and efficiency are actually slowing us down? It's time to challenge this notion and embrace simplicity. Forecasting for numerous low-volume queues increases the risk of error. Managing fewer queues with higher volumes leads to more stable data and better accuracy. Simplifying your approach can enhance forecast reliability and team efficiency. Configuring schedules for multiple queues and skills can create chaos. Simplifying by consolidating queues or cross-training agents can lead to more effective WFM tools and consistent coverage with less manual effort. Overly complex systems can obscure workload balance and resource utilization. Complexity drives up operational costs, from tool configuration to labor expenses. Simplifying your WFM setup can lower costs and improve control. Streamline tools, consolidate queues, and focus on impactful metrics. Train agents for flexibility. By embracing simplicity, you'll achieve better performance, clearer insights, and improved visibility.
Keep it simple and watch your WFM thrive. Provision provides expert advisory services for IT asset management and procurement, specializing in cloud, telecom, wireless networking, contact centers, cybersecurity, and more.